Morning. Here it is on a Saturday. All Pro Exterior Services LLC. Got the trailer hooked up, ready to roll. We got a little house. Got over here, if you can see, a partial roof right here. We're gonna hit that side of the roof. Gonna do a house cleaning and driveway. Nice size ticket on the Saturday. It's about 54 degrees. Show you the back side of the property. Nice size property. Got some roof wash here, a little bit there, a little bit there. And of course all the gutters, facials, all dirty, so got all that hooked up. Got the new trailer, working it. Still need to do some improvements to it. Always improving, always be on your game. So we're gonna go ahead and pull some hoses, get hooked up. We just pulled up. Already got that covered. And we're gonna water everything, of course, do some property protection. But anyway, a little quick overview of the trailer again. Got the 4.4, which we're gonna upgrade soon. Got the buffer tank, got the bleach tank, got some fresh bleach. Still doing batch mixing on the soft wash until we get our proportioner. Got the toolbox full of stuff. Hop over here, show you the reel setup. We got the water hose reel, which I got from Northern 2 for like 130 bucks. It's nice. It's held up well. Hane reels, which I highly recommend. Here's another one. We're gonna have another reel for a high downstream box. So anyway, ladder rack, all good. All right, catch up with you. Peace. I was hitting the roof first, then we're gonna do the house, then the driveway. But as you can tell, we already hit this section of the roof. Still got some black up there. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit. It's a little chilly outside, so it takes a little longer with bleach. But got Tony on the property protection mode, keeping everything protected. And watered down and watered again and watered again. And the next section here is going to be this side of the roof. And then we're going to catch the back. So we're going to knock out the roof pretty quick here. So I'll keep you posted. Peace. Downstream on a brick, soaping it heavy. I know a lot of people use soft wash on bricks, but this brick is really not that bad. So we're just soaking the shit out of it and getting those fascias real good. Of course, got the windows real good. Shutters, and yeah, we got the roof. We just did the roof first, partial roof job, but we letting it sit and just kind of see what we're gonna need to touch up on before we leave. So we still got the soft wash hose pulled, everything's good. Just getting some downstreaming in, baby. And if you guys aren't downstreaming, man, it's a very effective way to do it. I know soft wash is one thing, but I got both systems, and I much prefer the downstream method. It's just, to me, much easier, especially when you got like a remote box like I got. It makes it so much more efficient, at least in my eyes. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna finish this up, get the front of the house, hit the back, the sides, and we'll be done with this, and then start on the driveway. All right, peace. Wash the house, got the roof, house, checking on some different stuff to see if we're gonna need to hit anything. And anyway, I wanted to show you guys something. You see this gutter? It's not going by any tree. They got a tree right here. It's about 2 foot away. But again, I'm just kind of watering it down, even though there's no plants back here. We got a little bit of gutter runoff. I usually use gutter bags, but I'm not using them here because we didn't need them, because I'm just diluting. Remember, dilution is the solution. And if you think you got too much water, you need to spray it 2 more times. You never have too much water. Just saturate this, just make it almost water, you know what I mean? Like, dilute it so much, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. You just wanna make sure you're diluting everything. Keep that ground wet. So yeah, looking good. Gutters, everything came out nice. I may hit that little section of the roof right there. I didn't hit that, but all right. All right, guys, finishing up the, well, not finishing. Last part of the project for the job is the driveway. Getting it done with that 24-inch. Did a post pre-treat with a downstream. We didn't use a soft wash, just too much vegetation. We didn't feel like renting it, so it's coming nice and clean. Customer's very happy. You see they need some paint work done. Got all that done. Got the front run. You can see the roof is brown. That means it's coming down. So we got all the roof. Got the front of the house, got the whole house. Pre-treat, sidewalk, whole house. We just, I took off the tarp on the plant, saturated with water, just a precaution. And yeah, we're good. So trailer's doing well. Just need a bigger machine, man. This 4 gallon a minute's holding me back. Need to get that 8. So that's next on the list at some point in the near future. So anyway, I'll catch up with you in a wrap up. All pro, finishing up the job. Back to the house. Hung out with the customer a little bit. Got a nice tip. Nice ticket today. Although we just did one house, it took quite a while. It was a brick house, roof, and driveway. So trailer did well. Can't wait to get that bigger machine. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys a heads up on another video, another job well done. Some changes we're going to be making. We're going to make a surface cleaner rack. We're going to put some 45s on here to help with the strapping of the ladders. Again, this is a work in progress. As we work it, we know more what we need and what fits what we're going to do. We got to mount that spare on the other side. So we just about got it wrapped up, but we're learning. One other thing I did do on the venting, I drilled the hole in the top of the little white cap of the IBC tank, and I got a 1/2 inch fit elbow to a nipple to a barb, and I ran some clear hose. It goes behind the sign, and it just it don't hook to anything. It just vents the tank. So if you remember, I had problems with the cavitation because I didn't have a big enough drill hole, and I didn't want just a hole in it. And you know, I got a bunch of trees around, little things falling there, clogged my pump. I just ran the hose down. So anyway, last tidbit, but yeah, all good. So catch you tomorrow. We got another one to wrap, knock out. Peace.